You can build an AI agent that works while you sleep, no code, in an afternoon. Not a chatbot. An agent that takes actions, searches the web, sends emails, updates a database on a schedule. And the part most people get wrong isn't the tool. It's the one step that decides whether your agent is reliable or garbage. And it's not memory. Quick heads up. Exact node names and menus vary by platform and version. So match the idea, not the label. Start with the goal and go narrow. Not an assistant that runs my business. Pick one task. Summarize my unread emails every morning. Send me the top 5. Narrow agents work. Broad agents break. That's the #1 beginner mistake every time. Now the platform. For workflow-style agents, n8n or Make. For conversational agent people talk to, VoiceFlow or BotPress. Want the fastest win with zero setup? A custom GPT inside ChatGPT. That's on a paid plan, but it's live in about 10 minutes. Let's build the email agent in a workflow tool. In n8n, the flow is 4 blocks. First, a trigger. Set it to schedule. Run it daily at 7 a.m. Step 1 done. Then, the core piece. n8n has a dedicated AI agent node. Inside it, you attach your model. Paste your OpenAI or Anthropic API key into the credentials field. That's the brain. Here's where agents live or die. The system prompt. Don't write summarize emails. Write the role, the tone, the constraints. You are my executive assistant. Summarize each email in 1 line. Flag anything mentioning money or deadlines. Never invent details. Those constraints are what make it reliable. That inbox crawl that eats your Monday morning? For a lot of people, it drops to a few minutes. That's the payoff, and it runs forever. Now tools. In the AI agent node, you attach tools to the agent itself. Add your Gmail integration so it can read the inbox and an action to send the summary back to you. Trigger fires, agent reads, agent writes, email sends. Here's the setting most beginners skip. And no, memory isn't the secret, it's standard. The real one? Guardrails on tool failures. What happens when Gmail times out? If you don't handle that, one failed step kills the whole run silently, and you won't notice for days. Add error handling. That's what separates a demo from something you actually trust. And yes, attach a memory node to the agent so it keeps context across steps. That's what makes follow up on yesterday's email mean something. Just know that's a standard component, not a hack. Now the part that saves real money. Every multi-step agent burns through what these platforms call operations or tasks, and they drain faster than you'd expect. A multi-step agent running daily can chew through a free tier quickly. This is illustrative, so check your plan's quota before you scale. In LLM, tokens usually bill separately unless the model's bundled. So before you deploy, test with sample inputs. Run it manually. Watch every node fire. Check the reasoning and the tool calls. Agent hallucinating a deadline? Add only use information present in the email. Every failure is a prompt fix. This loop, test, fail, refine, is the actual skill. That's why I said an afternoon, not an hour. The build is fast, the tuning is where the real time goes. When it's solid, deploy. Activate the workflow, embed the widget, or share the link. Now it runs without you. And here's what most people miss. Build one, and you've built all of them. Same skeleton every time. Trigger, brain, tools, memory, output. A lead qualifier, a research agent, a customer reply bot. Same bones, different prompt. That's the leverage. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm building a research agent that pulls multiple sources and drafts a briefing. Fast enough to replace a chunk of your manual research. And I'll show the real timing, not a hype number. Right now, do one thing. Open an n8n, drop in a schedule trigger, add the AI agent node, connect your model. Build the skeleton today. You'll fill in faster than you think.